踏み込むでアクセル駆け引き笑いさそうだよ夜を抜けるねじ込むさ最後に差し引きゼロさそうだよ日々を削る
We've got trouble. Car problems. What? Oh darn. How careless of me. I've forgotten what Carson-sensei told me during my training.
It is critical you change your oil every 3,000 miles if you want to be a successful ninja.
I must go now and fix my mistake. Oh no, so many options. What do I do? I have to remember my training. Come on, think. Oh yeah, the secret book. Now how did Carson-sensei use it?
You open the fat book. You go to what brand of car your car starts with. So we're going to find a Nissan. So you open this, and then you find the date, and then you find your car. And it tells you everything.
Thank you, Sensei. Now a quick Google search will tell me what kind of oil I need. Amazing, that only cost me about $24.
Caruto. It's a simple task. You only need a few tools. First, hoist up the car with either a jack or ramp. Second, find a socket that fits the bolt on the oil pan. Third, you need a container to catch the used oil.
Now I can begin. Oh wait, I almost forgot the last time I tried changing the oil.
Foolish boy, we just drove it and the oil's on. You gotta wear proper protection.
I won't make the same mistake again. Safety first. That's my ninja way.
Now, Caruto, you may begin by first using your wrench to loosen the bolt on the oil pan. This should be located on the passenger side under the car.
While it's draining, I can change the oil filter. Aha! It's on the side of the oil pan. Now I can easily just take it off by hand.
And remember, don't forget to tighten the bolt and the oil filter to prevent any leaky weekies.
The last and final step, Caruto, is putting the oil in.
Every car takes a different amount of oil. Your car, Caruto, takes about 4.5 quarts of oil.
Finally, I'm done. Now I can go.
He's come a long way. He's mastered the handyman jitsu. Astonishing.